Hello everyone, my name is Tej and today we will be looking at the right rotate an array by one place problem. So first of all, what does rotation mean? So if we are talking about right rotation, it would mean that we have to shift every element to the right by one place in an array. So imagine this array. Now imagine this array first, 1, 2, 3, okay? So if we want to right rotate this array by one place, it would mean that this one would come here, this 2 would come here, and this 3, as nothing is on the right of 3, so 3 would come in the beginning. So it would look something like this: 3, 1, 2. So this is right rotation by one place. Every element shifts to the right by one place. Similarly, there is left rotation, in which every element shifts to the left by one place. So that's about the rotation part. Now we are shifting only by one place. So coming to the pseudocode of this problem, first we have initialized the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the indexing. N is the length of the array, that is 5 right now. So first what we will do is we will have to shift the arrays. So we will first store this element in the end variable, that is array element n minus 1, as later we would have to bring this particular element in the beginning. So we are currently storing this element, that is, here it is 5. Okay, so now we will start a for loop that will go from, that is a reverse for loop. So it will go from I equals to n minus 1, I greater than 0, I minus minus. So this is the for loop that goes in reverse. So it starts from here and goes only till here, not till here. So as we have said here, greater than 0, not greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so it will go only till here, because imagine if the loop goes till here. So we later check for I minus 1. I minus 1, an array element minus 1 would be nothing. So it would give an array index out of bound error. So we are going only till here. So inside the for loop, we will set array element I equals to array element I minus 1. Okay, so what we have done here is that, so for the first iteration, when the loop is going in reverse, so the first element is 5. So it will set array element 4, the index 4. So it will set array element 4 equals to I minus 1, that is 3, array element 3. So now it would be this, here the position, the element would be now 4, as here it is 4 as well. Okay, so after the complete running of the for loop, the array would look something like this. That is, 4 would come here, 3, 2, 1, and this place would be left empty. So after the for loop, that is. So to fill this place as well, we have stored this particular element in the end variable. So what we will do is that we will set the array element 0, that is the first position, as the end variable. So now it says 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can compare that every element has now shifted to the right by one place. So in the end, we can just print the array. So yeah, we will get the output as this. So in this, as you can see, that only one for loop is used. So a time complexity of O(n) is used, and a space complexity of O(1) is used, as we are not using any extra space. So now I will show you the code of this problem. So here we have initialized the array as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as we took in the pseudocode, and n is the length of the array. So now, as we said, we will store the end variable, end element in the end variable, that is 5. So int end equals to array element n minus 1. So 5 has been stored in the end variable. Now we will start the for loop in reverse order. So it will go like this, and make sure to only go till 0, and not, we should not put a equal to sign here. So it should only be till greater than 0. Okay, and we will set the array element I equals to array element I minus 1. So we have shifted the variable, shifted the array elements now. So in the end, we will just set array element 0 equals to end, that we had stored earlier, and in the end we can just print the array. we can do it like this. Just importing the arrays library from the utility Java function, Java thing, and to string. This is how we can print an array in Java. So, yeah, yeah. So if I run this code now, yeah, as you can see that we discussed in the pseudocode that we get the array as this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every element has been shifted one place to the right, and the element that was earlier on the rightmost side, it comes to the beginning. Similarly, can be done for the left rotation, in which every element would be shifted towards the left. So as I said, this is done in O(n)(10) complexity and O1 space complexity. And the next video would be about what if we want to rotate it by k numbers, that is a number greater than 1 and not just one rotation. So the next video would be about that. So stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching.